All right, Greg, thanks a lot for coming in.
Bo, it's good to be here.
All right, let's get everybody up to date on what's going on here. Another example of money and legal issues complicating the world of college sports right now. This time it's a focus is a player who has been sued by his former school, but he is now countersuing his old school. So let's get everybody up to date on the two sides and how this all unfolded.
In the middle of the college football playoffs, you have some high-profile NIL developments. School suing player, player suing school. The University of Georgia has filed a lawsuit against Damon Wilson. He played at UGA a year ago, played in about 26 games, and they said he breached his NIL agreement and owes the Bulldogs $380,000. Much like Georgia football, not so fast. Wilson countersued and hit Georgia hard, said that he was coerced into signing a term sheet that didn't rise to the level of a legal contract. And now this battle is not playing out on the football field, but in a court in Athens, Georgia.
Yeah, and a lot of people watching this closely, players, coaches, collectives, everybody, to see how this plays out, because we've seen it before where you've got a player maybe going after a particular coach, members of a collective like we saw at Florida, but this is a school and a former player.
It is, and what they basically have said, and Georgia was very public about going after Wilson when he jumped ship and went to Missouri because he was a star player. Wilson's countersuit is really fascinating because it offers some insight into how NIL works. He said during the 24 season, when they were preparing 24-25 for the college football playoffs, they basically brought him into a room, said, "Here, sign this." He understood it was a term sheet, not a final binding agreement. And then lo and behold, he said Georgia reneged on their promises. They breached the confidentiality requirement. They defamed him by making public statements that he was dishonest, tried to dissuade other schools from hiring him or getting him to play, saying that he would owe Georgia $1.2 million versus $380,000. So a really unique lawsuit, but it really shows the wild, wild west called NIL is still out of control.
And we were talking earlier real quick, this isn't going to resolve any, like tomorrow. This might play out for a little bit.
You know, it will, and he is, reports say, jumping to another school.
Yeah, there have been reports that he may be going back into the portal. So.
But here's the thing, it's not the coaches, it's not the players, it's now the lawyers. And it raises the question, are they professional athletes? Are they student athletes? Do you sign multi-million-dollar agreements without counsel? And these are 18-year-old kids. But, you know, we're going to see the landscape change again and again. But school suing player, player suing coach, it's still going.
Yeah, it is. All right, Greg, we're going to stop there. But I'm sure we'll be talking about this a whole lot more in the future.
All right, and if you have a legal question, you can send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. For a deeper conversation, you can watch right now on WATE 6+.